Assalamualaikum my dear students, how are you? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty. Welcome to NIEBS Home School. I am Ashis Biswas, an assistant teacher of mathematics in National Ideal English Immersion School, morning shift. My dear student, today I am taking a math class for the student of class 5. My dear students, our today's topic is chapter 3, 1 CBQ, which is CBQ number 2. My dear students, CBQ number 2 is written here. We shall solve this CBQ. Dear student, notice today is our lesson number 40 of annual term. My dear student, there is a good news for you, which is there is no SW from today. Okay, next day we will not give you any SW, but our YouTube class will be continued as your CW. So you must do your CW class properly on YouTube. So my dear students, at first we read the question. Please notice the total price of 15 shirts and 12 pants is 14,550 taka. I repeat, the total price of 15 shirts and 12 pants is 14,550 taka. The price of one shirt is 450 taka. So number 1 question, what is the price of 15 shirt? Number B, what is the price of one pant? Number C, how many pants can be bought by 3,250 taka? So at first we make a plan how to solve this math. Question number 1, what is the price of 15 shirts? In order to find out the price of 15 shirts, at first we need the price of one shirt, which is given in the step. Notice the price of one shirt is 150 taka. So by using this information we can easily find the price of 15 shirts. So how can the price of one shirt is 450 taka? So the price of 15 shirts equal to how much? As 15 is greater than 1, for these reasons multiplication will happen. That means if we multiply 450 by 15, then we get the price of 15 shirts. Okay. Question number B, what is the price of one pant? My dear students, notice from question number A we get the price of 15 shirt, and here the stem give you the information that the total price of 15 shirts and 12 pants is 14,550 taka. So from this total price, if I subtract the price of 15 shirts, then we can get the price of 12 pants. So from that, the price of 12 pants, we can easily find out the price of one pant. After that, we find out the price of one pant. I hope you have understood how to find. Now question number C, how many pants can be bought by 3,250 taka? My dear student, notice question number B. From question number B we have already find the price of one pant. So that price means the price of one pant. Okay, that price using we get one pant. So by using this amount of taka, that means 3,250 taka. So how many pants will be given? We divide this amount by the amount of price of one pant, and you get the amount of pants by this taka. Okay, so when I solve this math, you can easily understand. So first question, what is the price of 15 shirts? So how can we solve? At first we already said that the price of one shirt is 450 taka and the price of 15 shirts. So now please notice the board. The price of one shirt is 450 taka. Now the price of how many shirts? 15 shirts. 15 shirts is, we multiply 450 with 15 taka. Dear students, here you write here. After that we do calculation. 450 multiply by 15. Dear students, notice 5 zeros are 0, 5 5s are 25, carrying 2, 5 4s are 20 and 2 22, 0 is here. After that we multiply 150 by 1 and we get 0 5 and 4. So now 0 5 5 to 7 and 6750 taka, and this is the price of 15 shirts. Okay, 6750 taka, that means 6750 taka. So after completing your answer, then you must write answer, otherwise some marks is deducted from your answer script. Okay, I hope you have understood, dear students. This is question number A. We need the question number is information. Okay, so 6750 taka is the price of 15 shirts. Now we shall solve question number B. In order to solve question number B, we need the information of A. That means the price of 15 shirt is 6750 taka. So now notice the step. The total price of 15 shirt and 12 pant is 14,550 taka. Now I write this. The total price of 15 shirts and 12 pants is 14,550 taka, and from A we get, okay my dear student, before starting to writing this, at first you write from A we get the price of 15 shirt is 6,750 taka. Now I write this in this section. The price of 15 shirts is how much? 6,750 taka. Dear students, if I subtract the price of 15 shirts from the total price of 15 shirts and 12 pants, I get the price of 12 pants. So write, so the price of 12 pants is, now subtract 0 0 7 to 15, it will be 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 and 15. So 8, carrying on, this one is added with this 6 and it will be 7. Now 7 to 14 and it will be 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 and 14. So 7. Okay, now this one is added in this section and 1 minus 1, it will be 0. So the price of 12 pants is 7,800 taka. Okay, now the price of 12 pants is 7,800 taka. Okay, but the question asks you to find out the price of one pant. So now we find, therefore the price of one pant is 7,800 divided by 12 taka. Dear students, here we want to show the division. Okay, 12 divided by 7,800. Dear students, this is 2 digit. For this reason, so we take 2 digit here. 78. In 78, 12 goes in how many times? 12 goes in 6 times. That means 6 2s are 12 and 6 1s are 6 and on 7. That means 72. Now I subtract 72 from 78 and we get 6. Okay, and this 0 is here. In 60, 12 goes in 5 times. 5 12s are 60 and 1 0 is here. In 0, 12 goes in 0 times. That means 0. So 650 taka is the price of one pant. Okay, I hope you have understood. As our solution is done, then we write answer 650 taka. I hope you have understood. My dear student, this is so easy question. Just you at first you go through the whole question. After that you can understand, then you can easily solve this math by yourself. Okay. So next we shall solve question number C. In order to solve question number C, we need the information that by 650 taka how many pant is found. We know that 650 taka is the price of one pant. For these reasons we can easily say that by 650 taka we can find one pant. Okay, we can find or we can buy one pant. So by using 3250 taka we can get how many pant. Okay, now we solve question number C and erase question number B. So first of all you write from B we get the price of one pant is 650 taka. So we modify this line just like this. By 650 taka, by 650 taka it can be bought, one pant. Okay, therefore by 3250 taka it can be bought. We divide this 3250 taka by 650 taka and we get the required amount of pant. We want to show this division here. Okay, so write here 650 divided by 3250. Dear student, notice here 3 digit, here 3 digit also, but 325 is smaller than 650. So we take 4 digit. In 4 digit 650 goes in how many times? That means in this 3250 650 goes in 5 times. Now 5 zeros are 0, 5 5s are 25, carrying 2, 6 5s are 30 and 2 32, that means 0. So the answer is 5. So by 3250 taka it can be bought 5 pants and it is the required answer. My dear students, this is our today's lecture. I hope you have understood, and this is so easy math, I have already told you. So my dear students, I repeat, there is no SW today from this class. I don't give you any SW. Okay, you will be provided assignment soon. Okay, you must do that assignment very carefully and sincerely, because based on your assignment you will be promoted to next class. You will provided the assignment topics soon. Okay, my dear students, and you must do your YouTube class regularly. Okay, you must do your YouTube class regularly. So my dear students, keep practicing at home, abide by your parents. See you soon. Till then, assalamu alaikum.